Morning, boys and girls. Today it is Wednesday. What do we do on a Wednesday? That's right, we do phonics, don't we? Now we all know that we do our phonics to help us to read, and it helps us to write. So today we're going to focus on a phonics session, and it's going to be all about sounds. Now these sounds we might hear in our house, or we might hear outside in the garden. Now I've made a sound board. We're going to play sound bingo. I've made this board by simply looking in magazines at home. I use Reuben's magazines for this one, and I've cut out some pictures. These pictures represent different sounds. So what we're going to do today is we're going to listen for the sounds, and we're going to cross them off our board when we've heard the right sounds. So maybe after you've listened to this video, you could maybe make your own sound bingo board by looking in magazines at home. You might have your own magazines, or you might want to use your mummy's magazines or daddy's magazines. Make the sounds, and if you get them, the right sounds, they're on your board, you can tick your picture off. It's the first one to hear all the sounds that are on their board, and they are the winner. So today I'm going to use my sound trumpet. Reuben's made this for me. We've just rolled some card up and we've stuck some stickers on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the sound. When I make the sound, if you see it on my board, shout bingo. Are we ready for the first sound? Woo, woo, woo. Have I got that sound on my board? Listen again. Woo, woo, woo. What is it? That's right. It's the dog. Can everybody see the dog? There's the dog. So we'll put a line through our dog. Next sound. Meow. Meow. What sound is that? Do you want me to do it again? Meow. Meow. Is that a car? No. Is that a horse? No. Is it a cat? Yes, it's a cat. I've got a cat on my board, so I can put a line through it. We've got that one. Next sound. Are we ready? Ribbit. 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 Shall I do it again? Ribbit. 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 Does that sound a pig? Is it a duck? No. Is it a frog? Yes, that's right. It's a frog. So we put a line through our frog. We've got that sound. Next one. Are we all ready? Are we listening? Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Wonder what makes that sound. Let's hear it again. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Is it a horse? Is it a mouse? Is it a cat? No. What do you think it is? Shout out what you think it is. That's right. It's the car. Well done. So we put a line through the car. We've got that one. Next sound. Are we ready? That's an interesting sound. Shall we hear it again? Is it the car? No, I don't think so either. Is it the dog? No. Is it maybe the pig? Yeah, that's right. It's the pig. Well done. Boys and girls, that's the end of our phonics session today. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you could now make your own bingo board. See how many sounds you can make. Bye-bye, boys and girls. Have a nice day. See you soon.